we have another 3 days. So suddenly our test came up. So what is a VPN? VPN is a virtual private network. What is VPN? Virtual private network. Okay. So why we need this VPN kind of stuff? Why we need a VPN kind of stuff? Before going to VPN, guys, please know about a leased lines. What is leased lines? What is leased lines? What is leased line? What it is? Paragraph wise, it is splitting. That's a splitter. Okay, so what is a leased lines? I will give you that information first. I will do this drawing kind part. Leased line is a reserved circuit between two communication points that is always active and rented for a monthly fees. Guys, we are using a broadband connections. We are using like a ACT broadband. We are using ACT broadband connection. Okay, or maybe Airtel broadband, Geo broadband. Okay, Geo broadband. These are a broadband. It means you will get a up to speed. Normal broadband internet, what it shows, up to 50 Mbps. Maybe it is a 50 Mbps or maybe lesser. Depends upon time, depends upon load. You may get a 50 Mbps or maybe less than it. Up to 100 Mbps means you will get a maximum of 100 Mbps speed. So it may be a 10 Mbps or 20 Mbps, but maximum is 100 Mbps. Okay, you are not able to see my screen.
Not it's visible now. Sorry.
Okay, it's okay now. Sometimes internet, sometimes application problem. Okay, so it's a broadband internet type, but leased lines or dedicated lines will give you fixed bandwidth and a stable connection. If in case connection is down for a some time like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, client will get serious, right? Now your internet is not working for 1 hour. Broadband internet not working for 1 hour. For an internet service provider, it is not a serious issue. But for organization use leased lines. Regular users don't use leased lines. Okay. Leased lines are dedicated, meaning that any bandwidth associated with leased line is solely for a private organizational use purpose only. Not every person can get a leased lines. It is not there. Okay. So I will add VPN related points, guys. But before that one, what is this leased lines and VPN? Both I will tell by simple drawing. So I will show my drawing skills to you again. Think like you are in an organization. Okay, this is an organization. Okay, Example, my organization, like for example, it is a Latif Tech Solutions. Okay, it is my organization, some tech solutions, so why we should put it on names. Okay, so some solution name it is. Okay, it is an organization. In this one, already we discussed about a data center, guys. What are their servers, networking components, or maybe a mail servers, or maybe a database server, okay, or storage devices or storage servers. Like we have our own infrastructure. It is have our own infrastructure. It is. Okay. So you are a person who is working in the same organization, same branch. Okay, same organization, same office, same office. Okay. Yeah, I'm working in a Hyderabad office. Organization is 70s. 70s is in different places. For example, Exton, New Jersey, like that. Okay. So I'm working in a same organization, same office, kind of stuff. Something like I'm a database administrator, for example. Always example, or a certain server I want to access. I can directly access through my LAN communication, right? Directly I can accessing. This is a private network. I'm accessing my server directly. Okay. I don't require any WAN connectivity, or I don't require any leased line connectivity, or I don't require any kind of VPN connectivity. Direct I can able to access because both are in a same network, same private network. Guys, understand first point?
Yes, sir.
E drive, sir.
మనోడు గూగుల్ డ్రైవ్ ఏదో షేర్ ఇచ్చాడు ఇక్కడ అప్లోడ్ ఆప్షన్ ఓకే ఫైల్ అప్లోడ్.
So here it is. This is my branch office. This is my head office or a corporate office. We'll take it, and this is some important another main office. For example, this is my New York site. New York site. And why is enough? Okay. And here it is same organization. So I think really that name is there. I've taken. Okay. It is a Hyderabad HOD site. It is.
ఇప్పుడు నా జూమ్ చేసిన
అందులో అంటే సార్ మీరు ఫాస్ట్ హిస్టరీ అంత క్లాస్ హిస్టరీ
కానీ దీంట్లో ఓపెన్ అయితే
Okay, so here it is. I have taken a leased line from here to here. So not directly, you can take a wire and connect from New Jersey to Hyderabad office. You can't put a direct wire. Through ISPs, service providers are there. The service providers, okay, internet service providers are there. So with that one, we can take this leased lines. So these are the leased line or a dedicated line it is. I have taken a leased line or a dedicated line it is. So here, for example, a user is there. Same organization, but working in a different office. Same organization, working in a different office. Okay. So I want to connect one of this server. For example, I want to connect this server. How to connect? Because of direct line is there. From this to through this, I can connect to my server. For example, I want to connect it to this server. Okay. So think this it is like a, how it is configured, how you are accessing from your local network from here to here, how you are accessing. Same way this guy also accessing this server. Okay, same. So that is the why it is leased line. No different IP addresses access. Both are with the same kind of private IP addresses, but packet passes through this leased lines. In sometimes in branch offices, they would also put a certain servers for easy to access purpose. They'll put a certain kind of servers. They'll also sync this configuration. This is for example database server. So what are the database stores here? Same data it should be replicate here. Okay. So like that. So they will sync between the machines through this line only. So they will sync the data from one place to another place directly through this leased line only. Okay. One line I remove this one. So this is through this one we can able to connect it. Okay, we can sync the data from one server, means New Jersey, I have one server, Hyderabad, another server is there, New York, another server is there. These data, what are the data? They should be synced. So how they will sync? Through leased line. Data, what is that data? It is transmitting to this leased line, guys. That is not encrypted data. The data which is we are transmitting through leased lines, there is not required any encryption because it is a dedicated line for your organization. For your organization. Okay. Okay.
Navy, YAA.
Here, 2 points I am adding. One,
In what way boarding school वाला लिखो बराबर?
if you are speaking, guys, if you are speaking to me, no problem. If you are speaking to someone else, please mute yourself. Okay. No problem. Okay. This is also a small branch office. For example, I have my office, same thing, same organization. Okay.
Definition याद होगी?
Okay. For example, Pune office. It is a very small office. Currently, we are not using that one. Okay. And next one is this is a home office. Home means in your home. For example, you are traveling. You are in a different place. You both are connected through internet only. Okay. You are connected through internet. Through internet. Okay. So compulsory You don't have a choice, so you have to access through the internet only. So you cannot put your server directly in the public. You cannot put your office directly in the public. So what you will do, your organization, for the people who are working from home or for small branch offices, they will put a VPN server. They will put a VPN server. Okay. So you are a user working in an organization or maybe working from home. No. What you do? You have internet. So you are getting a internet. Okay. So you are getting internet. That's it. Okay. And this is also in the internet. This is also in the internet. So what these guys doing? Okay, what these guys are doing, they will try to connect. They'll try to connect this VPN through internet. This VPN through internet. When VPN receive your connection, it verify your authentication. Is username, password, what type of connectivity it is. That you are using the tunneling protocol, encryption method. So it will check your connectivity, your authentication. Once you are authenticated, it will give authorize. It will tell you yes, you can able to access. It will give an access permission. Okay, it will give access permission to access your corporate network. From there, you can access to whatever you want to access. You can access anything. So you are getting access of private network through internet. You're able to access your private network, means your organization private network through internet. Okay, via VPN server. VPN server authenticates a user access. Okay. So VPN server, whenever you are connecting to VPN, what VPN will do? It authenticate user. Once it is got authenticated, it creates a tunnel over the public network. It creates a tunnel over the public network. It creates a tunnel over the public network. So your data is encrypted. So your data is encrypted. So no one in the internet knows what is the data you are transmitting from your desk system to your remote system. Your system to your remote system, what are the data you are transmitting? No one knows in the internet. Okay. Okay. So this they use a different type of tunneling protocols to encrypt your data transmission. So no one can able to tamper your data or take your data or maybe control or access data cannot be there. So your VPN is like that. Okay. Again, guys, whenever a user is connecting to VPN through the internet, so VPN authenticate user and establish the connectivity to the user, and using certain tunneling protocols and encryption mechanism, they create a virtual network over the public network. Once this connectivity is established, so you can access your private network from internet. Okay, so any person in the internet also, they don't know what are the things you are accessed. So this is another way of accessing your network. Okay, so people will get angry if you are telling this much story, but guys, VPN is not like a one single statement. It is a very big kind of explanation. It is okay. So compulsory understand for a organization to organization, generally legal lines. Small branch offices, home offices, people who usually travels, they need to access their private network, their servers, their information in the organizations. Okay, they have to access through VPN only. VPN is a secure encrypted data transmission using a tunneling protocols. So I'm giving some points in the VPN here. So last after 2-3 batches of skipping, I'm telling you again. So last batch I think I told, but I didn't know. What is this virtual private network? So in the internet on itself, we are accessing through internet only, but in the internet using tunnels, we create our private channel. A service that helps you to stay private online. Different statements are there, guys. A VPN establishes secure encrypted connection between your computer and internet, providing private channel for your data and communication through your use public network. So through public network, you can access your private network over the internet. Oh, sorry, using tunneling protocols. It is a secure encrypted.
Okay.
Okay, so different tunnels we are using PPTP, SSTP, L2TP, IKE like this. Depends upon your VPN server, their configuration you have to follow. When you are connecting to your VPN server, you have to follow which protocol you have to do use it. It depends upon the what server configuration. Of course, guys, you know you are not a yogis or you are not a something kind of stuff. Okay, so point is okay. So you will get to know when you are working in an organization, they will tell or they will configure VPN access to you. But must know the client side of VPN access. Okay. So in a client side, you must know where to put username, passwords, keys, tunnels, selection are there. Okay. So that details you will get it based on the organization and their VPN. Okay. So this is a few techniques used to authenticate users by Active Directory or previous servers. We can use end-to-end encryption, provide you with online privacy and security. So many are there. VPN is a safer and cheaper lease than leased lines. It is a safe and cheaper than leased lines, but leased lines are dedicated lines, guys. Stable network, bandwidth speed. You will get it. VPN mainly for people who are working out of organization or people who only can able to connect through internet. So that is VPN help to connect them. User connected to remote infrastructure like connecting in a local network where we cannot able to use leased line connection, there VPN works. So that's a simple point. Okay. There is a 4 type of VPNs are there: remote access, personal, mobile, site to site VPN. So where it is, our diagram, here it is. This is my branch office. I cannot put a leased line, but I can do site to site VPN. New York to Pune, site to site VPN. Remote VPN, work from home. Remote VPN. Okay, mobile VPNs. Okay, personal VPN means, for example, in my home, I have my own office and I'm working from here. So I can choose my own personal VPN to secure access my infrastructure kind of stuff. Mobile VPNs are more. So point is, guys, so this is about a VPN leased lines, but there is few warnings also in the VPN class. Compulsory, because a lot of people are using VPN nowadays without like in the internet there are a lot of things. People starting scaring like how to get a business. Okay, how to get a business either directly or indirectly. You have to threat the people. What are your go and purchase eggs? Your eggs are chemical compound eggs, plastic eggs. Use organic eggs. Okay, it is grown in the trees, maybe, because that is my best example, because this is so. Yeah, it will come. So just wait. It is my Windows picture application slot. It is herbal eggs, orderless eggs. So you won't get a smell. You ate egg. No one knows you ate an egg. Even you don't know you ate an egg. The yolk is it is like a gulab jam. The taste like gulab jam maybe. It's not a fake one. I have taken this picture. Okay. So that's the kind of stuff. He's cheating from 1987 onwards. Okay. So same business is going on with the VPN kind of stuff. Okay. Herbals like that, how organics kind of stuff. Same way VPN business is also, people telling your network is not secure. What are the website you are using? Hacker knows. No one knows what you are using, guys, because in India we are actually using much secure than American network. Why? Because of you are connecting to a ISP to outside. Outside, internet people knows your ISP public IP. They don't know what is IP you are using. Even they know your IP address, it is private IP address directly. They don't know. They cannot able to access attack on your PC. Okay, there is no direct dialogue is not there. Okay, so friend of the friend isn't a friend. Okay, access is there, but which friend, where it is a friend, you cannot trace back. That many steps we are going. NAT and PAT techniques, this mask your IP address. So no one knows how to attack on your PC with your IP address or MAC address or your public IP address also. People will attack on your PC if you are open any illegal websites or a certain dangerous website. Just before only I open certain website, immediately my malware bites through a ad blocker kind of stuff. Okay, a certain thing I search for it. Okay, so immediately it is through that kind of. Okay, point is certain websites, tiny URLs, certain tiny URLs. Okay, offers kind of URLs are there now. Some people will send a one URL. If you open it and it is Amazon voucher is there, spin the wheel kind of stuff. Then you win 1,000 rupees. Give your user account and password. So to claim the 1,000 rupees, then your account is hacked. Okay, that is the way it is. It is the people will hack you. Third-party websites, how to download applications, torrents. Okay, so when you do this one, guys, you will attack with the malwares, spywares. Trojans kind of stuff. Like that, they will deliver small packet to you. They don't deliver, you actually contact them, so then they will deliver to you. It is a one-way traffic. You send a request, then you will get a something from it. You send a packet, then only you will receive it. No one will directly cannot
Excuse
able
me,
to send it. Yeah, tell me.
sir, can we create our own logger for the services which we are getting from the server?
We can.
Is it possible to create our own logger? For example,
Logger.
if we are visiting a site, no, sir. Oh, the whole work will be saved in the logger database, like
Yeah,
what
I
we are, the
understand
actions we
logger.
are doing. Yes, sir. Is it possible to create our own logger
For website networking related, you are telling, or a complete application system related?
for our privacy issues, sir?
Nothing.
Just the
You
personal
are
data.
already in privacy. No one is. You are not hacked. Whatever you do you are already hacked. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Remaining are
Okay,
just funny purpose only. That's what I am trying to say. Okay.
okay, sir.
So use your system more conscious way. Do not open any tiny URL, offer URLs, or a certain kind of websites. Okay, advertise websites. Clearly see the website is genuine website or not. Mainly for banking websites, social media websites. It is very easy to hack with that kind of stuff. Not direct a network attack, guys. It's simply with the URLs and third party websites like to download applications like a CNET kind of stuff. Do not file hippo. Don't go to that kind of stuff. Okay. Torrent websites is very dangerous. Okay. I don't know remaining certain website, but some are very dangerous things. When you download it from there, automatically they will send a packet to you because they cannot come directly. You have to welcome it. You're without knowing yourself, you are welcome some hacker or some a trojan, some malware or spyware. So already it is hooked to your registry, so you will get hacked. Okay. With VPN, you don't secure, guys. Then why it is VPN is danger thing is why people are using another VPN part. This is US websites. In India, certain websites we can't access. US based websites, UK based websites, or certain other countries like Russia related sites, Australia related sites we can't access. There is a VPN server, someone is maintaining this VPN loop. And in your home, you are using a VPN client, you are connecting this. Okay. So what happened? Originally, VPN is used to connect securely for your corporate network. Okay. It's a simple, but later VPNs use for a hacking purpose. That's I will tell a simple manner. First, I will tell that one. Then we will come back to this. I am a hacker. I am a hacker. I want to hack something which is like that. Maybe it is near to me or far away, but I don't send a packet directly. Okay, I don't send a packet directly. I'll send to one of my known person hacker community VPN like this, and from this to this, from this one to this, from this one to here, then here, then here, then here, then here, then here, then here, okay, then here, like this. So if you other person want to trace who is hacking, they cannot able to trace it. Different VPNs to divert the traffic, to change connectivities, hiding things. Okay, so this is the motto of VPN used by hackers. Now you are using, this is a US site. So there is a one person is maintaining VPN. You are connecting to this VPN to access their website. That is good. But do you know this guy who is providing this VPN service? Do you know this guy? Can you trust him? That's the point I am trying to say. Okay. VPN will give you secure line, but not every VPN thing. Okay. Even not required also. Okay. So if you trust that guy or not, that is thing. If he's the person actually hacker, when you try to connect from here and accessing certain website because of you want to access something US site, you want to watch their web series. Meanwhile, he will steal everything from you. Okay. Use consciously, guys. System, laptop, mobile phone, and VPN also. Okay. That's the part I am trying to say. So leave like that. So what is VPN? What is use of VPN? That is enough. Don't try mobile VPNs until unless you're having knowledge on it. Okay, that's the point. Any questions? Anything? Any information, guys? Put it in a group. I will share the relevant kind of stuff. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for both batches.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
All the best for our people who are attending version test. Well prepared. Score it 60 plus. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.